ladies. How are you guys doing? Hey, welcome to the replay. If you're watching this, and let me know. Just type in replay. Let me know you guys came and watch this. Who's a mom of a country girl princess? Okay, so we're going to do this country girl, which we've done it several times using the same transfer. I just washed it up in between on a little chalkboard. This is a 9x12, but we're going to do it in pink. So I think this one would be super fun to do with your little country girl princess in the color that goes with her room. So you guys, let's see how it turns out. I think that you could even do it ombre or a tie-dye, and she would be so proud to have it in her room. So let's get started. I'm just trying to see, get the comments on here, but we're going to get started and see how this goes. No, that's not it. So if you know Facebook, they like to change up things all the time, so it's kind of frustrating sometimes when you know, you can't figure it out. You know, you're on it five times a week or so, and then they change it up on you. I don't know why. It gets a little frustrating. So how are you guys doing? The heat came back today. I feel like I'm melting today. How about you guys? Did the heat come back in your area? Last week was so nice. It spoiled us. I don't like to wish my summer away, but that spoiled. Those little cooler temperatures did spoil me for my summer or my fall. But I'm ready for a little cool down. Not winter, but a little cool down. So just get that on there, and guys, it's going to be super easy, but I think this would be so fun to do with your little girl, and then she put it up in her room, and little country girl princess, so what I would like to call it, since we're going to do it in pink. But guys, we have like over 30 colors, so if she's not into pink, my girl was not a pink. My girl was more of a tomboy, kind of like her mama. I was a tomboy too, but my girl was not into pink, so this would not have worked for her. But if you have a girl that loves pink, like most girls do, this is perfect. And just gonna get all this on here, and then we're just gonna squeegee it up, and that's gonna be it. But how's your Monday going? There we go. So mine was pretty productive. I got quite a bit going. I don't think I completed anything, but I'm working on some new fall colors. So trying to get those in and make sure that I'm gonna like them for the fall. And then I had to get in some paperwork for building, and we're in the process of getting some new houses built in Florida. So I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a construction project manager. I used to work for IBM for, gosh, over 20 years. And now I do construction management in Florida. So we're getting that done. Let me see how I bring this up. I'm gonna bring this up slow because I think my letters had some bubbles in it. So how cute is that? Pretty and pink. See, it tells you it's gonna be super, super fast. Cute. Okay, guys, and then I'm going to take this to my sink, and I'm going to wash off the paste. Put the sticky side up, guys, so it can dry. Once it's dry, I'll put it back on the backer sheet, which is the sticky side and the shiny side together. But I think this is adorable, and I've done it several different ways, several different colors, guys. Get some more. I don't want to waste that paste. There we go. And just put it back in your jar. You're not going to waste anything. But look how cute that turned out. Cuteness. So I think this would be a perfect country girl princess project that you guys could do together as a mini-me date. And then she'd be able to hang it up in her room and be so proud of it. And then, guys, this goes on, the paste goes on wet and dries hard. But when she's ready to do a new project, like when she goes out of being a country girl princess, you can just wipe this off and spray it down with water, wipe it off, and put a new design on it. We have over 250 designs that you could look through and find, and she could, you know, next do one for Christmas or whatever. But we have, I mean, ages like starting at 4. I've seen 4-year-olds do it up to like 90-year-olds do it. So it's just fun, guys. So fun and easy, and something they'll be proud of to show off to our little girlfriends. So anyway, guys, thanks for joining, and I appreciate you being here. And if you have questions, guys, just drop it off in the comments or send me a direct message, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another project. So have a good one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.